Hey everyone, I'm Alexis.
And I'm Susie from Nunez Agency, and today we're just going over a little bit about earthquake insurance. A lot of people think that it's not going to happen. Who knows what's going to happen? It's not a question about if, but when it's going to happen. And a lot of people don't know that they actually live within 30 miles of an active fault. And there's only about 16,000 miles and counting that they know of right now.
And most people also think that FEMA will actually step in and pay their entire loss when an earthquake happens, but they would only actually pay a partial of your loss just because, a lot of Californians, live in fault lines. So there's going to be a lot of people that they're going to have to divide that amount, to help everybody. So it's always good to have your own earthquake insurance along with your fire insurance to make sure that you have your entire loss covered.
And what they also don't know is that FEMA actually has two types of help that they actually use. One of them, which is a grant that doesn't have to be repaid, and another one that's a loan that does need to be repaid. A lot of the times the grant that you don't have to repay is very limited, since they have to disperse it to the neediest of people, and then the loans still have to be repaid. So if you're just going to be paying a loan out, it's better to have your own policy in place already.
Yeah, and one major concern that we hear from our clients is that the deductibles are really high and they feel that they might not be able to afford it at the time of a loss. But in fact, when you have an earthquake loss and the payout isn't, we go ahead and we pay you out minus your deductible. So you don't have to have your entire deductible at hand at the time of the loss. So it makes it a little bit more feasible for our clients.
And a lot of people think that it's too expensive to get earthquake insurance, but the price is actually depending on where you live. So how close to an active fault line are you, and how old your house is built, or how old your house is.
The foundation type of your home.
Foundation type. There's a bunch of different other factors. The biggest factors tend to be how old your house is and how close to a fault line you are.
So those are some basic facts regarding earthquake insurance. If you guys have any more questions or concerns, you guys can comment below, or you guys can call us directly at 818-351-2304.
Si tienen alguna otra pregunta, ustedes nos pueden dar una llamada al 818-351-2304. También somos bilingües.